Hello! Is it easy leanness you're looking for? I can see it in your eyes. The easy lean prep is what you want, squatties, and today I'm gonna show you how to do it. It is the easiest, tastiest lean prep ever that gives you 4 different recipes in one bake. That's how good it is. And so every time you go for a little bite of leanness, what you're gonna come out with is a little different, extra tasty, with a big side of leanness. So get excited, squatties. I will see you in the kitchen. Woo! Hello, squatties. Welcome back to a brand new episode of Lean Living. Before we get to the easiest, tastiest, leanest, one more word, because it's 4 recipes in one bake meal prep recipe, I have a lean announcement to make, one in which I am very proud. It was just very close to my heart, and that is for the month of May, I am teaming up with BC Cancer Foundation and Workout to Conquer Cancer BC. Both their tags are somewhere on this screen here. Please follow them on social media. Secondly, for the entire month of May, every single day, I'm gonna post a brand new workout. The goal is to get as many people as possible being active, doing the workouts for the entire month straight. So you can follow along with me every day. I will post a brand new workout. They're short and sweet, ranging from 5 to 20 minutes long, all body weight. Anyone and everyone is welcome. The goal is to raise as much awareness as we possibly can, as much money as we possibly can, and find a cure for cancer. So with that in mind, make sure you follow them. Please, please, from the bottom of my heart, donate to them. It's an incredible cause, and subscribe to the channel and do the workouts every single day. Post about them. You're doing something for your own health while you're pushing your body, and we're raising awareness for those suffering through cancer, and we're gonna find a cure. That is the goal. Now that we've made that announcement, it's back to our tasty recipe. And you're wondering, Phil, how are we gonna make 4 different recipes in one meal prep? Well, we're gonna do eggy muffins 4 different ways. 1, 2, 3, 4. So first things first, obviously you're gonna grab a muffin tray. Second thing, make sure it's non-stick. And then we're gonna oil it up real nice because we don't want the muffins to stick. So, first step, just spray it up. You don't wanna get that stick anywhere, so get them nice and oily, woo, there you go. In each row is gonna be a different eggy muffin. First one is spinach, feta, and tomato. Can you see that? Spinach, feta, and tomato. You get a little bit of spinach, sprinkle it in each muffin, a little bit of feta, just like that. Crumble it up, you see that? Without me spilling. Tomato, spinach, feta. That's muffin tin number 1. Muffin tin number 2 is ham and cheddar. This is cooked ham, and it's just shredded up into little itty bits and cheddar. Muffin number 2, there we go. Ham and cheddar, super easy. Woo! Ingredient number 3 is red pepper, onion, and mushroom. Now, I sauteed them just for a couple minutes. And last but not least is lean trees. This is what I like to call a lean tree, also known as broccoli, right there. And there we have it, squatties. 4 different eggy muffins ready to be made. We have one last step though. We crack 8 to 12 eggs in a bowl, and we're gonna whisk them away. Now I say 8 to 12, and that is because everyone's muffin tin is different. And then we're gonna fill each muffin tin up 1/2 to 2/3 the way. So not all the way up, because these muffins are gonna rise just like regular muffins. Ta-da! Those are my eggy muffins, squatties. Just a lean warning. Make sure you haven't overfilled them. So I used about 10 eggs for my muffin tin in the end. And you'll be ready to rock and roll. Into the oven, 15 to 20 minutes, okay? 350. Lean time. There we go, squatties. Say hello to the leanness. 15 minutes. Hello, squatties. I'm currently in the wild right now. watching live leanness. This is something that's never been caught on camera before. So if you look closely, come here. There we go, okay. Be very quiet. We do not want to disturb the leanness, but look closely. Just look beneath this brush here, and you can see the leanness is rising. This is something very, very few people have ever seen live before. So in about 15 minutes, the leanness is gonna be fully risen and ready to be devoured. This is incredible. Woo! One more time, squatters, because this is leanness. 4 different ways in one bake. That is how easy the leanness can really be. And I know so many people say they don't have time to make the leanness. Well, here you go, squatties. All you need is 15 minutes here, and you're gonna have a whole bunch of leanness for the whole week in 4 different ways, so the leanness never gets boring. That is key. Remember, please donate to the BC Cancer Foundation. Please support the cause. Make sure you subscribe, participate in the workouts. It's gonna get you healthier while raising more awareness. Tag your friends, your family members. Let's really build this up and let's do our part. Secondly, if you are looking for a way to get healthier, fitter, more confident while enjoying all the tasty leanness, please do not hesitate to reach out to me. Go to www.lean-squad.com, or you can just direct message me on Instagram at LEANSQUAD, and I can build you your own custom 90-day lean plan. Because I know you want these recipes tailored to you. That is what it's all about, along with the workouts. So I hope you enjoyed this. Please comment below. I look forward to going on this lean journey with you for the month of May.